Good morning, Year 7. By the end of this lesson, you should know what all living things are made of. You should be able to name and locate the main parts of cells that make up the living things. And you should be able to state the function or job of each part of the cell. The learning question today is, what are animals and plants made of? To answer this, we have to start with another question. What is a cell? Cells are the building blocks of all living things. Anything living, me, you, a dog, a whale, a tree, they are all living things and are all made of cells. Some living things like bacteria are made of just one cell. These are known as unicellular organisms. People, flowers, and animals are made of lots and lots of cells, and these are known as multicellular organisms. Just like Lego bricks, cells can be different shapes and sizes and have different uses. There are two main types of cells that we're going to learn about: animal cells and plant cells. They have some similarities, but there are very important differences. We're going to start by looking at animal cells. Pause the video now and sketch this picture into your book. Use the colouring pencils to colour in your diagram. Every part of a cell has a specific function. This is its job within the cell. As well as being able to identify each part, you should be able to say what they do. The nucleus contains genetic information in the form of DNA, and it controls the cell activities. Mitochondria release energy from food through a process called respiration. The cell membrane is a thin layer that surrounds the cell and controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell. And cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where chemical reactions happen. Pause the video again and add this extra information to your diagram. You'll need these diagrams for the rest of the lesson. Plants are made of cells just like animals, and these cells have the same parts that animal cells do, but they also have 3 parts that animal cells do not have. Pause the video and sketch this picture. Use the colouring pencils to colour in your diagram. The cell wall surrounds the cell, even though the membrane is inside it, and supports the cell. It is made of cellulose, and the cell membrane is on the inside and the cell wall is on the outside. The cell wall gives the cell extra support and defines its shape. The vacuole contains cell sap, which is a solution of sugars and salts dissolved in water. It is used for storage of some materials and also helps support the shape of the cell. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight to make food for the plant. Pause the video for a final time and add these labels to your diagram. When you're finished, go back to the lesson and use your diagrams to complete the quiz questions.